What's up, guys? So it's a new day. I just got out of school, and yeah, sorry if the content's been slow, but I've had a couple people tell me they want to see like some first-person view pulls of the SRT4. So on my way home, that's what I'm gonna do. So I apologize if this is shaky because I have to hold my phone, and yeah, luckily I went and got the car aligned yesterday. It was terrible. I couldn't even drive straight, but I did go get it aligned. I'm actually going to get some tires swapped on today. I'm gonna do it myself actually in my buddy's shop, but yeah, I hope this isn't too shaky for you guys because I don't have a fancy camera or a chest mount or even like a head mount, so I'm gonna do the best I can for you. Come on, let's go. Or you could do the speed limit, you know. Let's go. All right, thanks. I'm not gonna do any crazy driving until I like get on the highway, but yeah. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about the HKS blow-off valve. I've never really been a huge fan of the sequential blow-off valves. I've always liked the Gretty style, but I'm giving it a shot. See if it'll grow on me. Very tricky. The tires are bald, ground's a little bit wet, but here we go. This is second gear. I'll spin. I tell you what, guys, it's very fast. That was about 105 right there. AFRs are pretty good. Cruising, they stop on, they come down. This thing has a really good tune on it. Little window so you can hear me better. But I imagine this thing probably makes 250, 260, 270 to the wheels. It's pretty nuts. I do want to get it on a dyno shortly, but I've got to try to set up an appointment for that because there's not any like dynos that I can just go jump on anytime I want. So yeah, let's pass this car here. Bye bye. Yeah, so as you can see, the car drives straight now, hands off the wheel. Yeah, before the steering wheel was cocked like that, and I took it to my buddy's shop, threw it on his alignment rack, and yeah, this thing was pretty outrageously off. The passenger side front was -4 degrees camber. The driver's side was -1 degree camber, which isn't bad, which is actually what we ended up setting the passenger side to. But it was also off by a full inch of adjustment on the tie rods down there. It was towed in almost a full inch on the passenger side. The driver's side was good, so we adjusted that side and adjusted the camber to match, and the car drives like it's new. But trying to drive 45 miles from my town to my buddy's town to get it to the alignment was sketchy as hell. It was raining, terrible alignment, terrible tires, and I seriously almost put it into the ditch. It was very sketchy. I drove almost halfway there with my flashers on because cars were getting pissed off behind me because I wasn't going the speed limit. So I'm super happy that this thing is now driving straight, and here in a little bit I'm actually supposed to go and get my tires done I've got a bunch of 17-inch tires sitting in my storage unit, and my buddy is going to be nice enough to let me use his tire changer. So let's go do that. All right, guys, so I'm here at the storage, and yeah, just real quick, I wanted to show you guys. I added some eyelids yesterday. They're just vinyl I got from my buddy, and I cut it to give it the eyelid shape. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about them yet, but it does look pretty mean. I may or may not actually trim it up to meet the hood there. I'm not sure what I want to do yet, but it does look good like it is. Somehow I repainted this lip. Somehow it's already flaking paint, which is kind of crazy. Maybe I didn't sand it good enough, but this thing needs a wash badly. Wisconsin, it's been crappy outside, and they've salted, and this thing does not need to get rustier than it already is. So I'm gonna give it a wash pretty soon. But yeah, I like it. This car's fun. Crap. I forgot I had that toad in the back. Hello, beautiful. Hope you're having a good rest. Your front bumper's on its way! From Russia! Stoked! Oh, let me check real quick. Make sure I'm grabbing the right sizes here. These are 215 45 17s. Yeah, I got tires. Kind of hard to see because it's dark in here, but there's a huge stack right there, a big stack right here. Oh, look at that, 240 or 215 45 17. Good stuff. These tires aren't in the best shape, but they'll get the job done because the tires that are on the front of that car now are toast. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the two best ones I have and throw them in the car. But yeah, so she's still just sitting here. Waiting patiently for it to get nice out so we can go drifting. I still have to figure out limp mode. I might just buy a new MAF for it. I'm trying to figure out a way to read the codes off the 1J ECU because it's not wired for OBD2. So I can't really just plug it in and check codes. So if you guys know a way to check codes on the 1J JZX110 ECU, it's a non-immobilized ECU, let me know, please, because I would very much so like to figure out my limp mode issue. Yeah, so that's going to be all in here. Grab the tires. And I actually moved. I would have just put these in the back seat, but I have to go pick up my kids also. So I shoved them in here, and I shoved that tote in the front seat because I got to put my kids in the back. But yeah, we'll check in with you guys when we get to the shop. All right, guys, so we got her in the shop, and yeah, about to start jacking it up, pull the wheels off. We got these tires here. No, they're not brand new, but they'll definitely be better than the ones I have, because if you look at these, it's like a racing slick. They're just smooth. I mean, there's a little bit of tread in there, but the outside is just done for. So yeah, let's do it. Well, I got this tire put on, but as you can see right here, there's a bulge. I can't win, dude. So I'm gonna pull this tire off, try the other one, and I guess I'll go back to my storage unit and grab another tire, and hopefully this doesn't happen again. All right, so got this other tire mounted. This one does not have a bulge. Yeah, wheels are super dirty, but you get the idea. Got some air in there. Doesn't seem to be leaking at all, so that's good too. So let's put this one in the car. All right, so there she is. She's in the car. Now, unfortunately, since that other tire was bad, I'm going to have to go back to my storage unit and get another tire. So let's do that. Yeah, hopefully they hook All right, guys. So got the tires put on, and a little low, maybe. We gotta check that before I leave quick. But yeah, actually, so I put this one's from the rear, and I put the new tire on the back. The back tires are pretty good. But I also went ahead and, I don't know if you can tell because the light's on, but I trimmed the eyelids a little bit. And I personally think it looks better. Let me turn the lights off so you can see better. I think it looks good. I think I like it better than before when it came all the way to the fender like that. It was good. Alright guys, so I got the tires on. What sucks is I'm gonna have to get it realigned now because again, the wheel is not straight. And if I let go, it pulls right. Damn it. But it's okay, I'll go get it realigned. But yeah, so even though the alignment's a little off now again, I'd rather have it a little bit off than, you know, have terrible tires with winter coming and snow and all the wet, and it's just sketchy. So I will go probably in the next week or so and get it realigned and get a proper alignment with good tires. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.